there are spots in fingers and toes. It's actually the same, which is relaxing all the muscles in the body and all organs. So first head, massaging like this. Then throat. Then here is chest. And between heart and stomach. Then stomach. And legs. Oh, feeling a lot. Simply massaging, and all is relaxing. Ah, are you hearing this? And same with toes. So toe is head, and then the same throat. Already releasing. Oh. This is nice. Chest and stomach. Actually, between heart and stomach. This liver area. And stomach. And legs. Wow! Enjoy!